What up, choppers? Please hit that like button. Koro is in the house, Roy is in the house. We've got Sange also in the house. Sange, good to see you, my friend. I didn't see you throughout the day. This is our third stream for the day. I'm exhausted, man. But yeah, work is work. Let's do what we have to do and try to see where we can get that paper. Right, FOMC. Koro, my friend, please do me the honors. What's your take on the fundamentals? All right, as you can clearly see, we're still playing in the same area. Remember, our buy came at $69.98 a barrel there on a WTI, and we went back to that $70.72 mark. We are now trading back. We are back there. So yeah, let's see. I think for me, look, this markets haven't moved much. Everything is almost zero at this point. But I'm expecting FOMC to come and give us something there to bite on, right? So I think it's just a matter of time. We see exactly what this market has for us. But I'm anticipating a lot of things, man. We'll see. Only a few minutes to go. But I think this is deliberate, right? For the dollar was just quiet. All of a sudden we see the dollar coming all the way from $1.05, euro dollar coming from $1.05 all the way to $1.04, now trading back at $1.49. I think this was deliberate, and I think we might have a very bearish dollar. I think we might have a bearish dollar where we can see euro on the upside. I don't know, that's my take on it. British pound USD. Same structure. I'm anticipating a weak dollar. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? But to be quite honest with you, I'm anticipating a weak dollar. All right, all noted, Koro, my friend. Rory saying Nas 100 has been consolidating lately. Sang is in the house. Bravo is also in the house. Inect is in the house. Mukeli saying, I wonder what FOMC has in the market for us. Otherwise, let's shop the market with choppers and the President Danko. Yeah, indeed, my friend. Bravo Tao is saying, according to my analysis, gold and currencies will be bullish. Korush is saying I don't have much, but like everyone, I anticipate a rate cut, Mr. President, and I'll be looking for trades after the rate decisions. Yeah, man. As much as we are anticipating a rate cut, I'm for a weak dollar. Technically, so I feel, or rather, according to my analysis, I think we might have a weak dollar. Nas 100. It's been playing in one place throughout the day. I gotta say, it has been a very slow day for this market. Maybe that's the reason. It's because of this FOMC, obviously. I'm just going to remove this and try to analyze this again, do a reevaluation on this Nasdaq here. I have my POC at 22,000. Still same setup. If I break above, retest, I sell. Anything that goes below 21,900, I buy if I go above retest, and anything that goes below 21,900, I sell. As easy as that. I'm not going to complicate anything here. However, I'm bullish on German 40. I'm also bullish on US30. I'm bullish on US30. Yeah, let's see, man. I don't know. Let's see. I've never been so confused with these markets lately because they've been choppy. You know, these markets have been choppy. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Pure is saying, our choppers, my analysis on British pound is going to spike up to $1.27 for. I have a rising wedge pattern on 30 minutes time frame. All right, we'll see, my friend. All the best to you. Please participate on the poll. Let's see, what are you saying? What are you saying there? I gotta say, man, I would want to give you guys, everyone that is streaming live with us here, I want to give you, man, your flowers and a special respect to you. I mean, not everyone can be on a live stream at this time, working this time, whether you have a live account or not, or whether you are trading, whether you have not traded, but for the fact that you're streaming here and you want to share some knowledge, big ups to you, man. On a December like this, I didn't expect so many people to be on this stream. You know, December, everyone wants to do their own thing. So, but for the fact that you guys are here, you know, I salute you. Special salute from me. Instructor saying I don't expect much. I think Powell will have to wait for next year, first quarter, to make a conclusive outlook. For now, everything will be kept as it is. Won't be an exciting FOMC. Yeah, I think so, man. Instructor, look, man, it's what we've discussed last time, that I think most of the movements are already gone for the month, you know, especially November. So right now they just moving as they are, not really having much on it, right? So yeah, I'm also not expecting much, but you can never know. I mean, these markets, man, they're very unpredictable. But yeah, I'm of the opinion as well that we might not see and have that exciting FOMC we are used to. Bravo is saying DXY will go bearish. All right, that is Bravo there. Yeah, I'm also of the same opinion. I think we might have a weak dollar. As you say, salute to you, Mr. President. Eben Projects is saying I'm going to sell on euro dollar. All the best, my friend. All basic needs. Yeah, it's at 9. Right, choppers, please do me a favor. There's like 50 plus of you here. And only few people have liked the stream. Please do me a favor, like the stream. Let's grow our community, guys. Let's be the change we wanna see. As much as we complain about people selling false hope and people hopping from one group to another, and they cannot find a home, they cannot find a community. It is our responsibility as well to grow our community and invite as many people as possible, you know. So it helps, it really helps the algorithm when you guys like the stream. More especially, again, if you you would also subscribe. So yeah, let's do it, man. $50 people watching, only 28 of you have liked the stream. Choppers, we can do better. Let's like the stream. 54 people watching, but only 28 people like the stream. Let's do better, choppers. I think we can do better. We can do better. We can definitely do better. So yeah, I don't know, but I think I'm anticipating a weak dollar. So I would expect this euro dollar to go to the upside. That's my take. I don't know, what's your take, guys? I think for the first time in the history of this live stream, we have like 50-50 basis where others are saying buy, others are saying sell. It's how unpredictable these markets are lately, you know. So yeah, let's see, man. All the best to those of you that are already executed trades. You know, I used to love FOMC when I was trapped in a trade, and I'm like, at least FOMC can boost me. I miss those days, man. Yeah. George, good to see you, my friend. Inuk just said definitely we can, when we like the stream, it's more likely to see it appear on YouTube homepage when you log on. Yeah, man, definitely. So the more we like, the more it appears, the more people join, you know, and you don't have to miss a thing. Also, the notification bell, guys, is important, right? It's also important. It's also very important, so that when you drop any episode, whether it's a live stream, whether it's a psychology video, whether it's a weekly outlook, you'll be notified, right, that something is happening. I haven't looked at AUD USD. Remember, during the day, morning session and afternoon session, we said we can only buy Euro AUD USD at 63.40, right? This is where we can buy this thing. As it is now, it wouldn't make sense for us to look for any buying opportunities, because this thing on 15 minutes is still on a downward trend, man. Even on 10 minutes there, you break above this level here, then chances are you might have a good setup to the upside, right? For those that wants to take an early trade, 63.12 also would make sense there. Alright, those of you that have joined the funded group, welcome guys. There are people just after the stream, they funded their accounts with Okta and they used our link and they've joined the funded group. Welcome. We'll try by all means to save you guys. I will personally try by all means to save you guys and help you where I can. Two minutes to go. $21 seconds to go. Let's go to the euro dollar. YouTubers are funny, man. You guys are funny. Aish! Look at that. From $1.05 all the way to $1.04. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a spike on this thing, man. Euro dollar is down. Eben, you should be smiling now, my man. If you took that sell there. The way it's so aggressive, my camera even had to jam. Why is my system slow? Euro down by 0.37%. We are seeing that movement, man. That consolidation we've been seeing on currency pairs, it's finally paying off. Right, if we find support here, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing can go all the way up back to the consolidation box. So yeah, let's see. Eben, you should be smiling, my friend. You wanted a sell on this thing. It seems like all these highs here were honored by a high there at $1.04 there. Massive movements there. I like what I see. Bravo is saying totally opposite of what I anticipated. Same here, my friend. Same here, my friend. I was anticipating a weak dollar. I was anticipating a weak dollar. Nasdaq, not much going on. Remember, we can only buy Nasdaq if we break above 22,000. Currently trading at 21,900. Euro is down by 0.5%. Sure. 52 pips worth of movement for the MC. US30 didn't give us much. There's not much that we had there. WTI as well, we didn't have much going on there. Right, WTI is still giving us sideways movement. Let's have a look at gold. Gold is trading at $2,630 an ounce there. British pound dropping, euro dropping. So you mean to tell me that all this consolidation that we had at this point was waiting for FOMC, right? Chances for us to come back to this lows at $1.03, for me, it's less likely. It's less likely. The euro dollar continues to be strong, man. I was anticipating a weak dollar, a very weak dollar, but it seems like it's strong. I'm interested to see how the next candle will look like. We just broke below this support here at $1.26. Let's see what goes on there. Alright, choppers, if you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream. This thing is still moving, man. This thing is still moving. I see we've got Rory there in the group. He had a nice buy there on DXY. Nice one, my friend. The DXY keeps gaining strength. Nice one there, Rory. This was his anticipation on US dollar index. Right, guys, if you want to join this group, like I said last time, you just use the link down below, as easy as that, and you can join this, guys, man. Learn from as many people as possible, right? So yeah, no, it was a good FOMC. I gotta say, it was a good one. 63 pip move on euro dollar. It was a good FOMC. I don't want to lie, there's something there. It was a good FOMC, I gotta say. But I'm interested to see the next candle that is coming. 10 minutes time frame. There's no candle that is out as yet. In 4 minutes time we would know, or let me say 3 minutes time we would know. Koro, what's the update, man? Can you update us there on the comment section? This gives me so much hope that I should not give up on currency pairs this December. Once we broke below here, I'm good, man. Especially on the euro dollar, I'm happy that at least there was something going on, because this sideways movement has been frustrating me for quite some time. This consolidation here has been frustrating me for quite some time. I'm glad we are below it now. At least we can make decisions based on how we are going to close off the day and how we are going to open London in the morning. So yeah, that means our December is still looking good, guys. We do not despair. There is volatility. FOMC is showing us that there's volatility and there's something to bite on, you know. This thing continues to move, man. I don't know when was the last time I saw an FOMC like this. Close to 68, so I would say around 70 pip move. 70 pip move on euro dollar. It's good. So at least the markets are opening up. So yeah, let's make our deposits, man, and let's trade this December, right? A lot of you were discouraged that this markets. I gotta say, myself, I was also discouraged, right? By sideways movement on this market. But with what I see, look at Aussie dollar. It's down by 1%, man. This is something else. There was one chopper that was holding a sell here on AUD USD. Man, you should be smiling by now. I only wanted to see if I only wanted to buy if I was above this, so that we can switch over from a downward trend to an upward trend. That was the only way I could sell this, to buy this, right? I want to see on the daily where we can find our next support there. We are now have passed this low that we had there last year, right, in October. So yeah, man, these markets are opening up. Let's do it. Gold is also giving us good signs that we can trade it. We are now trading at 2,600. I think there's a possibility maybe we might see that 2,595, 98 mark, right? So this is good. This is good. For those of you that wanted to take a break, there's no need. The markets are opening up. The markets are opening up. Dollar is down. Euro dollar is down by 0.72%. British pound down by 0.58%. Gold is down by a percentage. NAS 100 is also down. So our Nasdaq was gonna buy at POC level was at 22,000. Anything that will come at this point, we're going to look to take it to the downside. We might find some support here at 21,700. That's Nasdaq there for you. I like what I see. I'm just waiting for other candlesticks to open up now. The 10-minute candlestick just opened up on Nasdaq. Let's see what happens there now. Also euro dollar. Man, look at that thing on euro dollar. It's good. I'm on a 10-minute time frame now. You know, FOMC for me, it has always been nice when I've taken a trade and I'm trapped for like 2 days, and FOMC comes in and takes me back to break even. You know, but it's not nice when it does what it did now and even takes you out further. The euro dollar is still struggling there. Where can we find support on this thing? There's not really much on the left hand side that we can say. Maybe this level here is something that we can look into. Maybe that level there. Gold is down by 1%. Let's look at the heat map. Euro is down, dollar is up, right? So it seems like that FOMC favored the dollar so much, so the dollar is up against all majors. New Zealand is down, AUD is down, Canadian is up. So yeah, looking good for the dollar, man, for the day. It's looking good for the dollar. So yeah, we had like 73 pip move on euro dollar for FOMC. So I think then tomorrow let's make some money. We're good. The robots are saying all green. We might find some volatility coming in. We might find some volatility coming in. It's been quite frustrating, man, to be trading this euro dollar and just moving sideways, man. It's been quite frustrating, but I'm glad, man, I'm seeing what I'm seeing, right? I'm so glad I can trade currency pairs again. Look at British pound. Let's see this move. Also 75 pip move there for British pound. Rav is saying, yeah, we've been ranging for quite some time. This is good. Yeah, man, let's trade this December. Let's trade. As much as I don't trade news, I usually use the news for my preparation for my next trading session. So I think I'm gonna sleep with an open mind that tomorrow there's a huge possibility that we can see some movement on this market, especially the currency pairs. Rory saying FOMC did not disappoint like the previous NFP and CPI. Yes, my friend, they did not. TMS is asking me to drop the link for the heat map. So just go to Google, type Forex heat map, it will just appear there. You just go on Google, you just type Forex heat map, trading view. It's not an app, it's just a web-based format, so you can check it there. Easy to use. US30 seems like we are not having that bullish momentum we are anticipating. Remember, we wanted to buy it at around this area here to the upside, but yeah, we did not have anything there. Since we are below this level, for you to buy this thing, break above, retest, then that's when you can say you can look for buying opportunities on US30. All right, but as for now, I believe Nasdaq will be down by 1% in the next 2 minutes. I believe Nasdaq will be down by 1% in the next 2 minutes. There it is there. 2 minutes was a lot. Nasdaq was down by 1% there. I don't know, man, but you know, just because you are seeing all this drop here, don't just jump in. There's a possibility that this thing can go to the upside, you know, slowly but surely. With my experience seeing FOMC, it has happened before, you know. So yeah, just be careful there, choppers. Okay, so if we open London and we are playing between, tell you what, choppers, if we are opening London and we are trading between $1.04 and $1.05, these are my price points, right? If we're gonna play inside, let's say this thing comes back and does this, I will continue being on the sideways, right? But if we see a continuation to the downside, then yeah, that's a good sign for me. WTI still has nothing. WTI still has nothing there, trading at $70.07. Alright, choppers, if you just join us, you know what to do. Please hit that like button there. Right, so we're gonna have the press conference at 9:30. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's have a look at our Google there. Remember, we want to buy Google there at $193 a share, right? So yep. We're gonna reload more positions. Remember, we had a buy there at $182.90 a share, and we wanna buy back again here at 192. So you have like a $10 difference there. So yeah, let's see what we have there on Google. Let me remove what I have here. So I really want to study this Nasdaq. Quite fascinating that we went to 1%, and now we are trading at 0.6 down, still down by 0.65%. So I'm just wondering what's going to happen there. Let's pay a close look at this. WTI still moving sideways, nothing there. So AUD USD, like I said, we only going to look for buying opportunities only if we are above this level, right? Right, I will want to see what happens from 9:30. Choppers, you are quiet. What's going on? You are quiet. You are quiet. For those who just joined us, just like the stream there for your brother. And subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Choppers, you are quiet on the comment section. Let's see what happens from 9:30, and we can take it from there. Also, be reminded that we are streaming again tomorrow 9:30, right? 9:30 a.m. right? A.m. in the morning. We are going to be trading London. More especially when the markets have opened like this for FOMC. Definitely something is going on there. We can always capitalize. Bravo say we are here, bro. Yeah, I know you are here, Bravo, but talk to me, my man. I'm alone here. Talk to me, Bravo. What's up, my friend? TMS, you love our comment this much. I love your streaming, man. Yeah, man. When you guys comment, I don't feel alone, you know. When you guys are quiet, you make me feel like there's a technical glitch. Maybe I'm talking all alone here. Maybe the stream has stopped, or maybe you can't hear me, or you know. So yeah, man, I'm always here for you guys. Every day. You know, I'm trying to see if we can stream every day, man. I'm trying to see. That Nasdaq is still moving, man, to the downside. Not waiting for anyone. Still moving. Oh, basic needs is spray, my man. Let me see. Look, like I said, for me, if I'm above this level, that's when I can look for buying opportunities. At this point, this thing is still going to the downside, man. Very weak US30. The dollar continues to be strong and it's not waiting for anybody. I'm seeing something there on WTI. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna take a sell shot. Remember, Bitcoin and WTI, those something that I trade after 7 p.m. right? I don't really care what time is it, what time of the day, because they are too volatile, right? So yeah. So I don't know, man. Maybe I might take a sell short position there. Maybe I might take a sell short position there. Around this area there. WTI, which is my favorite, man. Eben hit TP on a euro dollar. Nice one, my friend. Eben is saying, but knowing the euro, this USD strength is temporary, it will go up side. Yeah, man, it's also a possibility. You know, one thing about news is that you can have one direction for some time, and this thing just reverses against you. You know, like Inicto said, I mean, 9:30 is, we just hit 9:30 now. So anything is possible. Look, whether euro goes up or down, I just like the fact that at least we have broken above certain levels. That's one thing that gives me hope, you know. We have broken above certain levels. That's what I like. It's now 12:30. The volatility is coming in again. Brace yourself, choppers. Brace yourselves. TMSSM, please play poll on the screen there, divide the screen. You know, I think, you know, if there's someone that I would want to nominate to be part of this live stream, will have to be TMS. TMS has so much energy, man. I wish I had that energy, TMS. I can't, my friend, please. I can't. Muso, good to see you. Good to see you. TMS has so much energy. I think I would really want to sit down and have a conversation with TMS and Oratile Matala, not Ndlovu, Oratile Matala, right? If I can put them in one, even Eben, Eben also has some interesting energy there. So I really want to have a conversation. I think we can really rob a bank if we can put our heads together. Right, Nasdaq trading at 21,800. Buy US30 now. Whoa, that's a strong statement there, Agazi. I can only buy, my friend. Look, I can only buy if I'm above 43,350. That's when I can buy. For now, I think it will be too risky, guys. Think about it. We are at this low, right? Anything that will retest this level, I can go to the upside, right? So for me, that will be too risky to buy this now. So my take is at least wait to break above 43,350. Then that's when you can say you can look for buying opportunities. Tabisolava Boy is saying Eben project, I think it's not temporary. Since the start of this month the dollar was quite strong. Yeah, the dollar was quite strong, but let's not also forget that with that strength we experienced some consolidation, which is especially for those that are swinging this. I mean, if you've been holding your trade from this level here, right? So like I was saying, we are ranging from $1.06 to $1.05, right? Now back to $1.04, possibly maybe to $1.03. So people that have been holding this sales here, or from here, they've been quite frustrated. This thing has not been moving anywhere. Even people that have been holding from this level here, right? If you are trading like us as a chopper, obviously your fee will have to be at this point. You take your sell there and you are swinging this. By now you'll be frustrated, right? By all this movement here, moving sideways. Only today you get a pop on this thing. Inicto said definitely a strong statement, especially at this time. Yeah, Gazi says buy US30. It's too risky, man. Michele said Nasdaq is something else. Yeah, Nasdaq is it will show you flames. More especially that you went on this all-time highs, right? And again, I continue to say, choppers, when the market is trading at all-time highs, just always be cautious, right? Because there's a dump that you can experience, right? I'm not surprised that we have choppers like Rory selling this thing, right? Because as I was saying, if you look at your price action, right? You hit your all-time highs there at 22,150 or so, right? And what is going through the minds of many? Obviously, they will want to reload here, right? That's why I said, for me, the safest, if I was going to look for buying opportunity on Nasdaq, I have to break above this level, then go back to the all-time highs. But as long as I was below my POC, and that's why I trade with this fixed range volume. This thing, I don't know how many times it has saved me from this market taking my money. So learn to be picky in your trading. Choose certain price tags or price points for you to say, if I take a buy, it has to pass through this level. Like what I'm saying on US30. We've been looking for selling opportunities on US30 since when? If you are part and parcel of this live stream, you would know that from this level here, we spoke about 44,800, right? We've been looking for selling opportunities on US30. Okay. Why? Because it was trading at all-time highs. These are all the sales we've been looking for from last week, right, on US30. And now we said we can only look for buying opportunities if we break certain levels. Okay, only if we break certain levels. We break this level, we retest this level, you have a right rejection there. Unfortunately, I don't trade the news, right? I use the news to see how can I capitalize on the next trading session, right? So I cannot buy this thing here. It's too risky. If on 1 hour we are above 43,350, that means on 10 minutes or 15 minutes I would have formed an upward trend. Then we would have had a switch over from a downward trend. Understand? That's when I can buy this thing. But as it is, I cannot. Euro dollar continues to move to the downside, man. Look at that. Not waiting for anyone. Nasdaq is still at that, finding support at 21,700. WTI, I'm seeing where I can climb this bus on WTI, right? Let me know if you're gonna join me on this sell here. I'm looking for anything around $70, 5 cents a barrel there on WTI. Then I'm gonna take a sell short position. I think at this point, WTI is the only thing that makes sense for me. I think the WTI is the only thing that makes sense, you know, for me right now. Look at that euro dollar. Look at that Nasdaq. Look at the US30. No man, WTI is the only thing that makes sense. I want to see where I can hop on this train to the downside. I'm well below my POC. I like what I see there on 10 minutes. So yeah. TMS, you're funny, man. He's saying, let me add WTI on my read list. I'm tired of hearing Mr. President talking about it and it's never told. I'm telling you, man, you know what I'm looking at, TMS. I'm thinking when I'm closing my books next week, right, Tuesday, when I'm just going to study all my trades. I'm just hoping that WTI would dominate, especially for the past 2 months. Yeah, I was never really a WTI guy, but I think it was Mr. Ndu on he's here now. He's going short on German 40. He's on the choppers funded, right? He was always trading WTI, and for every chopper that sends setups on our group, I normally study them. Like I want to see, so that when they flop, I can try to see where I can help, you know. So I was just studying this guy's movement on WTI, and I was like, look, there's more into this. I'm telling you, it took me like 3 Saturdays or so. I was just backtesting WTI, getting data on it for hours, and I looked at this thing and I'm like, whoa, there's something here. I was never really a WTI guy, but I'm enjoying it, man. TMS, you are always part and parcel of this live streaming, right? Most of the trades we take on WTI, we win them. If we don't win them, we break even. Like today, we took like 20% win on WTI. But I find it so easy and convenient to trade. So yeah, you should add it on your watch list. Definitely add it, because I'm telling you, if you trade it right, this thing is going to change your life. And I was saying this for the longest time, for the past 2 months, I was saying, guys, look at WTI and look at German 40 to redeem yourself if you've been losing money this year. Just study them. Don't trade them because I trade them, right? Just study them. Just study them. I'm telling you, man, just study them. Let me give you this homework. Go study WTI. I'm telling you, you'll find a lot of setups. The dollar is almost down by 1%. When was the last time we saw this? Dollar down by 1%. When was the last time we saw this? Nasdaq down by 1.5%. Yeah, man. I like what I see. Tomorrow, guys, we have to make money. Tomorrow, we really have to make money. I really like what I see. This is the volatility I'm talking about. As I was saying about that WTI, let me make a clean chart. Let's just do backtesting on this thing. We're just doing backtesting on this thing. I don't know from where I should. Now look at this thing, right? I'm on WTI. Let's backtest it together, right? So if you don't have a trade, at least you know you attended the class here this evening, right? This is too much. You've got basic stuff, man. Support and resistance. What do you make of this? What do you make of this? What do you make of this? This is more or less the trade that we took yesterday, right? And this thing will pay you now. Within a few minutes, you're out, right? Choppers, don't forget to like and subscribe the stream, please. subscribe to the channel, right? This is a trade that we more something like this we took yesterday. Beautiful setup, right? Now when you see this, you know that there's a chance that this thing will fail. Maybe it can go to the upside from there. You have broken above this key level. Where is your POC at this time? We are now above your POC. POC is at $68.49 a barrel, right? Look at how easy this thing is to trade. Your key significant area is at $69.24. You now went below your key significant area, now playing at your POC, right? Watch. This level here, again, it's at your POC, right? Break, retest. 1:2. You still have $67 a barrel there. Continuation there. Swag, you say Stacy back, put me on WTI. Is Stacy back? Is he in the States or is he in Canada or Australia? It's one of the legends, man. Stacy back is one of the legends. I'm not talking about your Stacy's here in South Africa. Look at levels that you could have capitalized on. Look, all this, if you don't find it, you can always scale down to a lower time frame. Look for rejection candles. There's one there. Is this one? Not really much there. There's one there. Second leg, there's one there. Now, according to how I trade, look at this. I mean, how many opportunities I've had on this thing? 1, 2. Okay, let me not count this. 3, 4. In a short space of time, right? In 3 days, I've had 4 opportunities that I could have taken advantage of. That's what I'm trying to say about WTI. There are a lot of opportunities there, right? Lots of opportunities. That's why I'm saying I'm looking for selling opportunities there. If it wasn't for this FOMC, I was gonna take this one here with this rejection there. I'm telling you, it comes back to $70.05. I'm all in. I'm all in. So I can say is Australian absolute legends changed my trading for good. Yeah, Stacy, man. These are the people that you can look up to. I'm glad he introduced you to WTI. So yeah, choppers, have a look at WTI. I'm telling you, your trading at some point might change. Not really complicated. WTI. Euro dollar down by 1%. The British pound USD down by 0.82%. Gold down by 0.4. Down by 1.4%. Nasdaq down by 1.5%. US30 down by 1%. Is it Gazi? So you see, Gazi, why I said don't buy. Imagine if you bought this now, you could be stopped out. Wait for this market to change from a downward trend to an upward trend and make decisions from there. Don't just take a naked buy or sell at any given point. Choppers, that's about it from me. I think I will see you guys in the morning, 9:30 Central African time. Let's trade the London session. I'm happy, guys. The markets are opening. They've opened up. So yeah, dollar is now trading at $1.03. I mean, we never thought of this. We never thought we could see the dollar trading from $1.03 all the way from $1.05. So yeah, beautiful market widening there. I like what I see, man. So yeah, let's meet in the morning and we can always take it there. Right, thank you so much, shoppers. I'll see you in the morning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's see one another in the morning. For those of you that are saying, Mr. President, we want to be mentored and coached by you, what should we do? You just need to fund your Okta account. That's it. And just drop me a text on WhatsApp and I'm gonna add you on the group. Use my link there down below and you can use this promo code Trade with MJ for 100% bonus, right? I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, again, don't forget to pray.